Yeah, well, cortisol is it's a natural hormone that we make. I refer to it as the body's primary stress hormone. There's lots of stress hormones, but cortisol is important because it's the hormone that persists. So if you have a stress response, cortisol will last for sometimes hours after that stress response. And when we're overstressed, when we're experiencing that fight or flight reaction on a regular basis, like so many people do these days, we are overexposed to cortisol. So that's when cortisol flips from doing its good things like carbohydrate regulation and blood pressure regulation and immune system regulation. On the good side, when we're overexposed to it chronically, it flips to be bad and it becomes catabolic. So our tissues start to break down. Instead of our immune system getting a little bit of a charge, it gets broken down or suppressed. Our skin breaks down, our muscles break down, our neurons in our brain break down. So every tissue breaks down in response to overexposure to cortisol, except for one tissue, and that's our belly fat. So much so that we refer to belly fat as stress fat because it is so predominantly related to cortisol overexposure. So cortisol has a good side and a bad side, and a lot of people are realizing that chronic exposure is really, really bad in a lot of different ways.